Hey everybody! I'm here today to do a review of this Ring solar panel. Now this specific solar panel that you're looking at is actually for the Spotlight Cam battery unit that you see right here. But Ring offers different solar panels that basically do the same thing. So although this one is specifically for the Spotlight Cam battery unit that you see right here, they're all going to be very, very similar. Let's get right into the review. Now if you hear me screaming or anything, it's because I'm actually on a ladder holding my camera on a, I believe it's called the monopod, which is like a tripod but just with one arm. So it's pretty high up here, okay? So if you hear me shouting, that means I probably almost fell. Okay, so this is actually the packaging that it came with. You can see it says Ring solar panel for Spotlight Cam battery. Sorry about that. And, the air conditioner just turned off, so now I can lower my voice a bit. And you can see it says only for Spotlight Cam battery. Now Ring offers different adapters and different solar panels for different units, but this one is just for that specific use right there. It's great because it actually powers the Spotlight Cam. So I actually have mine set up in a spot that it gets a good amount of sunshine per day, but it really doesn't need that much sunlight to keep the battery charged on the unit. Okay, so what I recommend when you get something like this is that you take the battery, you charge it fully. So you're starting off at 100%, okay? And then when you install your solar panel for, let's say, your Spotlight Cam battery unit, it's just gonna have to worry about topping it off, which it can do with very little sunlight, okay? It's actually amazing at how little sunlight it needs to keep the battery charged. And then, you know, if you have 2 or 3 days with no sun at all, and you get more sunlight the following day or extra sunlight for the following days, it should bring it back up to 100%, depending on how much sunlight you get. Overall, it's a great unit, and I'll tell you why. It's really easy to install. I'm going to bring this up a little bit higher. As you can see right there, there's actually a bracket right there. It only required 2 screws to mount it to the wall. Well, basically, I had to drill 2 pilot holes with a hammer drill and the provided drill bit. They give you the drill bit. You have to have your own drill, obviously. They're not going to give you a drill to mount a solar panel. But I used the provided drill bit to drill 2 holes after making my marks on the brick. I put the also provided wall anchors into the bricks, and then I used the provided screws to secure that mounting bracket to the wall. Okay, then once that was done, I literally just adjusted the angle, because you can adjust it, so I made it facing upwards ever so slightly so that it can get some sun, and you can always adjust that also at a later date. And then I sort of slid the solar panel into the actual unit right there. So I slid the solar panel into the bracket, and then I connected the solar panel to the Ring Spotlight Cam battery unit right here, and it just now tops it off every day. It's really, really easy to use. It's unbelievably easy to install. And like I said, instead of having to worry about charging this battery often or you know, as often as you need to, you never have to worry about it. And here's the thing, right? On this camera, there are lights on the side. There is a motion sensor, there is a speaker, and there's a microphone, and there's a siren. And if I had to worry about charging this, I would be very hesitant to use any of those things, even if it was necessary. If I saw some motion on the side of the house, I would be like, I don't know if I'm going to turn on the light, you know, from my phone while sitting in my bed. I'm going to go and turn on the light switch over here instead, and that would require me to get up, just because I wouldn't want to drain the battery. But by having this unit here, I use this freely and easily to do whatever I want to do, and basically I use it without the expense of safety. If I want to turn on the light, I turn on the light. I want to turn on the siren, I turn on the siren. I want to talk two-way with someone that is, you know, over here, whatever, for whatever the reason may be, I turn it on and say, hey, what are you doing over here? Right? So basically, it's an awesome unit, easy to install, very simple. Here's the packaging once again. As you can see, quick and easy installation, adjustable mounting bracket, and weather-resistant design. So that's why I'm not so worried about it, because it's under the soffits there and the roof line. But you know, you also, I live in Canada. It snows here quite a bit, and it gets really cold. So you want it to be weather-resistant for sure. Overall, it's an awesome unit, easy to install, and it's great to power your Ring products. Like I said, this is for the Ring Spotlight Cam battery, and you can obviously clean up the wiring as well. Like this is really quick, a quick job. I just wanted to make sure this area got enough sunlight. But now that I know it does, I can clean up the wiring and sort of make it look a lot better, like this wire over here looks a lot like a more of a clean look. But that said, I hope you've enjoyed this review, this video review of this Ring solar panel that you see right there. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.